So this active link that's labeled King County is truly excellent in the way that it works for King County. When you click on it, it brings up the county record on the property that I'm looking at, which is fantastic. But what I would like to have is this be a conditional link, and I would like to have it first maybe be labeled county records, and then have it first look at which county the property is located in. So, for example, under location information, it would look here at this field, see that it's King County, and if it is, then it would, the link that is currently embedded here would be activated. If, however, it is at a different county, and in this case, it would be several counties that I have my properties located in, such as Snohomish, Pierce, Thurston, and so forth, that it would look at this field for Citus County, and based on the condition of this field, it would select the appropriate link and go to that corresponding county's online record for that particular APN. That would be a fantastic feature, and that's the way that I would like to have it configured.